In the next few moments, you might realize that outdoor cleaning doesn't actually need to be complicated, noisy, or tied to a fixed water source. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we look at products with a practical lens, what they do, how they feel to own, and whether they truly make sense in everyday life. Today, we're looking at the Fanttik NB8 Nano portable cordless electric sprayer, a compact, battery-powered pressure washer designed for light outdoor cleaning, travel use, pet care, and general on-the-go washing. It's not trying to replace industrial washers. Instead, it focuses on convenience, portability, and controlled pressure for everyday situations. If you've been looking for something easy to carry for balconies, small gardens, camping trips, or even washing bicycles and pets without dragging out heavy equipment, this might be relevant to you. The purchase link is available in the description if you decide to explore it further. Reason 1. Truly portable, all-in-one cleaning design. What stands out immediately is how self-contained this unit is. With its integrated 2.1-gallon, 8L tank, built-in hose system, and retractable spray head, you're not dealing with multiple attachments scattered around. Everything stores neatly inside the main body. At just over a foot in size, it's designed for one-hand carrying, which makes it practical for apartments, rooftops, or outdoor travel. The experience is less about setup and more about simply starting when needed. Reason 2. Controlled pressure for safe everyday use. The NB8 Nano operates in the 72 to 98 psi range, which is intentionally moderate. This matters because not every surface requires high pressure. Whether you're rinsing dust off plants, cleaning pet paws, or washing a bicycle frame, this level of output gives you control without risk of damage. It also includes adjustable spray patterns, letting you switch between focused and fan-style cleaning depending on the task. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this balance of power and safety is often highlighted as its strongest advantage. Reason 3. Battery performance built for mobility. Inside, there's a 2,600 mAh rechargeable lithium battery designed to deliver up to around 40 minutes of continuous use. That's enough for quick cleaning sessions without feeling restricted by cables or water connections. It also uses USB-C charging, meaning you can power it through standard adapters, power banks, or even a car charger when traveling. For users who value mobility over extended heavy-duty cleaning, this becomes a meaningful convenience factor. Reason 4. Thoughtful build quality and outdoor readiness. The unit carries an IPX5 water resistance rating, which helps protect the internal system during outdoor use. The long telescopic hose design, measuring approximately 118 inches, improves reach without making storage complicated. Even the internal spray system is designed to reduce setup time. It's clearly built around the idea of use it when needed, store it quickly after. Reason 5. Quiet, gentle, and multi-purpose usage. Unlike traditional pressure washers that can be loud and intense, this unit runs at a noticeably softer sound level. That makes it more suitable for residential areas or shared spaces. It's also gentle enough for washing pets or delicate surfaces without stress. This versatility is what gives it value beyond just car or patio cleaning. It fits into multiple small but frequent tasks. Final verdict: the Fanttik NB8 Nano is not a heavy-duty cleaning machine, and it doesn't try to be. Its limitation is clear. It is built for light to medium everyday cleaning, not deep industrial washing or stubborn grime removal. But within its category, it stands out for one reason: convenience without complexity. It's best suited for apartment users, travelers, cyclists, pet owners, and anyone who values quick, controlled cleaning without setup hassle. If that aligns with your needs, this is one of those tools that quietly earns its place over time rather than impressing with extremes. There's no urgency here, just a practical decision based on how you actually live and clean.